Are you also excited about the Dubai Shopping Festival? This annual event kicks off on December the 17th and runs until January the 30th. Besides the wonderful Emirate-wide retail offers and raffles, it's also time for fireworks, live entertainment and numerous markets. So with that in mind, we have handpicked a selection of great things for you to experience. The annual extravaganza has been refreshed to be the best DSF yet. Featuring new attractions, shows and concerts, you can experience unparalleled family fun with a COVID-safe approach. A 2-day concert kicks off the fest at Burj Park, with A-list Arabic stars on day 1 and international artists on day 2, with other performances to be enjoyed at the Dubai Opera, World Trade Center and Festival Arena. Market Outside the Box is launching an alternative shopping experience at Burj Park in downtown Dubai. From December the 17th to January the 2nd, you'll find pop-up market stalls with homegrown gifts and unique bits and bobs. Enjoy live music performances along with a range of food at different kiosks. It's the most wonderful time of the year. On the 1st of December, Ski Dubai celebrated Santa's return to his grotto by lighting the magnificent 40-foot tree. With this, Ski Dubai has transformed into a magical winter wonderland, complete with cheerful Christmas activities for kids, delicious treats and sparkling decor. Find your way to Ski Dubai before December the 25th to sing along with carols, decorate gingerbread cookies, dance with elves, or just to play in the snow before you meet Santa and Mrs. Claus. Nakheel Mall's rooftop is the place to be on the pub Emirate. For the first time, it's featuring a rooftop market including a Santa's Grotto. The winter-themed village has an ice rink and is filled with food and retail stalls. Throughout the Dubai Shopping Fest, world-class street performers, musicians and artists will entertain shoppers and tourists across destinations in Dubai. Bluewaters Island and the beach set the stage for the record-breaking longest-running drone light show in the Middle East and Africa. Score a table at one of the waterfront restaurants to enjoy the dazzling sight.